Why law of attraction doesn't work every time. Welcome to this chapter. And if you're someone who is practicing manifestations, then you know that law of attraction, that sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, then you probably want to know the reasons. And I'm someone who's practicing manifestations for last 10 years and now work with a lot of people. So I've been able to summarize in top 4 reasons that why law of attraction doesn't work every time. Reason number 1 is low vibration emotions. So as Dr. Joe has done a research on this, I mean, now we have a research that when you're vibing below heart chakra and you are stuck in those emotions like pain, victimizations, anger, resentment, manipulation, you're in that fight or flight kind of a scenario. So your energy really is of low vibration. It's a low frequency energy. And when you're vibrating low, your manifestations won't work. And don't confuse with the words law of attraction and manifestation, as I'm using them interchangeably. In the coming chapters, I'll give you a brief explanation about it. So this was reason number 1. Reason number 2 is blockages. Blockages essentially are our own emotions in our subconscious mind, which block us from achieving a certain thing. For example, I want to earn a lot of money, but internally I feel that I don't deserve it. Or if I want to manifest a life partner, but internally I'm doubtful, do I even deserve what I want? So these are the blockages, few examples of blockages. There could be many, many more. Like personally, I had a blockage about money that, if a lot of money comes, that my family members will be spoiled. This was my block. And so I was cross manifesting, I was manifesting money, but then also crossing it at the same time. So that's how we sometimes don't know that we all have blockages, and then we block our own manifestations. So this is very important. And when we will look at chakra energy, then we'll see that naturally when you balance your chakras, your blocks get removed. Now, the reason number 3 is incorrect expectations. And some of the mentees I have seen that they have this problem initially, that they're like doing it for a few days, and they're doing all the techniques, and they're like, oh, it's not working. There's no result. And I tell them, universe has its timing. You need to trust the timing. And they don't. They're very restless. They just want that, okay, I did try it today, and now I should get the result tomorrow. Now, this kind of expectation, what it leads to is an anxiety first, that you're waiting, and it's not coming. So you just feel that it's not working and you give up. Actually, you don't trust the timing of universe, and you just put a lot of faith on your small mind that, okay, I want it like this, it should happen overnight. So you can't do that. You can be specific, but that specific time, that let's say I want to attract a life partner in next 1 month, maybe that's your goal. So then you have given us substantial time to yourself. You can't just say, I tried the technique today and tomorrow I might get it. You can't be unrealistic about it. So give yourself realistic timeline. So these unrealistic expectations then just put you out of it. Then reason number 4 is lack of action. So a lot of times people think that, I'm just doing my affirmation, or I'm just writing, and it should just start working. It doesn't work like that. You have to take the actions. And as you would work with me, you would understand that I help people working on their intuitions, and you really need to take guided action for your results. So it's important to take actions. Otherwise, it's not going to happen on its own. You are becoming a manifest, so you will become a magnet to attract whatever you want towards yourself. It just essentially means that you will be lucky, but then you have to take the action, right? So that's how it is. Now let's look at the next chapter.